2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing some cars, just what I needed. Great, this works good on the acoustic guitar. Let's put a cape on 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 2, 3. Got A minor. 1, 2, 3. And we got E7. 1, 2, and we got an F major. And I believe that's all the chords. Okay, so it starts up with those hits. 2, 3, 4. Song is in C shape. So let's go 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 2 hits. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And mute with this part of your hand. Put it on the bridge. We want to keep the same feel for the verses. C to G, 3, 4, A minor to E7, G, A minor, E7, C major, A minor, E7. Last time it's going to be a little bit different. E7 here to F. That's the instrumental part. E7, C to G, A minor to F. Back to verse. G, A minor to B. Same thing here. Last time it's going to be different. C to G, E7 to F. And take us to the chorus. That's chorus is C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor. And then we have solo. Solo is the same chords of the as the verse, but we just have to play them twice as fast. So C, G, A minor, E7, C, G, A minor, F, A minor, E7, A minor, F. Verse. Last verse. Okay, last time, come on. This time we're going to go from E7 to F. chorus again. C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor. And then we have the outro, which is the same as for the solo part. So that's C, G, A, E7, C, G, A to F. Let's see. Just what I needed. E7. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Last time we're gonna do this. A minor F, C, G, A, E7, F, G, and A minor. And my sign fell. That was funny. Okay, so let's review. So it's not that much to keep to remember. We got the intro, just C, and then 2 hits, 2, 3. Got the verses, C, G, A minor, E7 3 times, and last time for the verses we got C, G, A minor, E, no, C, G, A minor, right, E7 to F. That's what's happening at the end of each verse. Okay, so we got that, and we got the intro, and then we have the in-between part, the keyboard thing. That's C, G, A minor, F, all right, and then we got the chorus. C, G, F, just where I needed. F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, and then solo. E7 and F. So E7 and F every other time. So that's all the parts, and it ends with C, G, A, E7, F, G, and C. So the verses are downstroke, and the chorus is strumming. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Awesome. Thanks, folks, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic hits. Take it easy. Thank you.